Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. And today we have another meal prep of the week. We are going to make some bomb vegan tacos, and these are the ingredients that we are going to use. We're going to start out by making some Spanish quinoa. Very easy to do. We're just going to chop up about half of an onion, heat up some oil in a pot, and saute the onions until they're like a golden brown color. And then I'm throwing in a little bit of garlic. And now we're just gonna cook the quinoa just like it says on the package. We're just gonna add some salsa, and we're going to use some vegetable broth or vegetable stock instead of water. And we're literally gonna just cook the quinoa just like you would any other day, just like it says on the packaging. And I'm just showing you guys the cheese that I'm using, this almond dairy-free cheese, so good. And so now we're gonna make our taco meat. I have a large bowl. I'm putting in the Spanish quinoa and the rest of the ingredients that I need. So I'm putting in some lentils, some nutritional yeast, chili powder, coriander, cumin. I put a little too much cumin, so I tried to take less out, and I don't know. Anyways, it's all good. Some paprika, and some salt and pepper, and then I just added a little extra chili powder for extra flavor, and then we're gonna give that a good stir before we put this on the baking sheet to be cooked in the oven. And so when we put this on the baking sheet, we really want to spread it out after it's all on there and make sure, just make sure it's spread out evenly, so when we put it in the oven, all of it gets cooked evenly. So we're gonna set our timer for 40 minutes and 400 degrees for the oven. We're gonna pop our taco meat in there, and we're gonna set another timer for 15 minutes, because for every 15 minutes that it's in there, we're gonna wanna take it out and just give it a mix so that all of it gets cooked evenly. And then we're gonna pop it back in the oven for the rest of the 40 minutes and just keep doing that until it's cooked. So I'm using spinach instead of lettuce, and I put my taco meat on there, my cheese, salsa, avocado, and ranch. And let me tell you, these were so good. All right, so I have my taco meat here, and then I have my almond vegan cheese here, and I'm using spinach instead of lettuce, and then I have some avocado there. And I am going to just put that in my taco shells, when I'm ready to eat that. And then I have a mango, and I have some cucumber that I'm gonna eat throughout the day, snack on. And then I have these snap peas, these Harvest Snaps. They have a whole bunch of other flavors, but this one is my go-to for sure. And then I have my oatmeal here. Then I have some salsa and some ranch, and I put a little bit of sriracha on top because I think y'all know I like spicy food. This is so good. This is like the best, I don't know, this is the best meal I've made in a long time. It's so flavorful, so delicious. This tastes amazing. Yeah, I hope you guys, I highly recommend that you guys try this recipe. Please do that. Now, I didn't follow this 100%. When I'm putting seasonings in my food, I don't exactly measure everything out to a T. And I know I put too much cumin, but this tastes amazing. So go ham with the cumin if you want to. Whether you're vegan or not, this is delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys like me doing these meal preps of the week. I really enjoy doing these videos. I think it's so fun to film and put out for you guys. So if you enjoyed it, leave a comment down below and give a thumbs up and subscribe for more. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.